Yo, it's good YouTube? It's your boy SMIDRIN and we back with another video. And I apologize, man. I know I was supposed to drop something a long time ago, but I was in my feelings. We're gonna get into that later into the video, but before we get started, I'm gonna need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay notified on what's going on. You understand what I'm talking about? You did. Now, let's get into it. Here we have a special unboxing today on possibly, maybe sneaker of the year. I'll let you guys decide on that. But today, we have the Yuto Horigome Nike SB Dunk Low. Yeah. Now, before we get into the full review, I just want to get on to why I was upset. As you guys know, I've been wanting this shoe ever since I saw the early pics of it. And I did everything in my power to make sure that I was online, I was on time, I was there, but we ran into some issues. Resellers. Now, I'm not a person that hates, you know what I mean? Get your money by all means, you know? Get it how you live. But I'm tired of y'all resellers coming to the spot and taking the only 13 in the spot to make an extra $100. Go take a size 9, 9.5 or something, man. You know I need these for my toe, you feel me? Or maybe I just need to get my connections up. I don't know. But today we have the Yuto Horigome SB Dunk Low colorway Wolf Gray on the suede, on the around the toe box and stuff like that. The suede is amazing. It's gonna go on the eyelets as well and on the back tabs. As you can see, we have the brown suede up here, which gives me a real OG feel when it comes to the SBs, because when I first saw this shoe, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this box does not represent the series this SB is supposed to be in. This is supposed to be a silver box, pink box SB in my opinion. That's why I just fell in love with this shoe as soon as I saw the pics. Like you see on the back tab, we got the nice pink back there. Pink with the brown, you know, flows very beautifully, very beautifully. On the inside of the tongue, has the feathers for Yuto, you feel what I'm saying, as well on the side, the emblem. On the tongue itself, it got his name on it, Nike SB, you know what I mean? Swoosh is a nice gray. It's not the same color as the outer toe box and stuff like that, but it meshes perfectly. Then as you can see on the bottom of the sole, we got the brown sole with the pink on the inside, you know, Nike SB. And yeah, what else can I say about this shoe? Comes with 2 laces. Comes with the extra brown and extra pink lace. And overall, man, this is a phenomenal shoe. In my opinion, it's perfect. There's nothing that you could have added or taken away to make this shoe better. And to me, along with the SB4s and a couple other candidates, I can't tell you a sneaker that dropped this year that's better than this, to be honest with you. This SB might be better than a majority of SBs from last year. This is a really incredible shoe. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to wear it. These are going to my mom because they're size 7. Because I couldn't buy a size 13. Even though I was out there since 8 a.m., 7 a.m. Pain, I know. But yeah, SB of the year. I'm still looking for a 13. I'm not paying head crack. I'm sorry. Like I need good price. Like, so if you want to hook your boy up for retail on the size 13 of the Yutos off the love, or you want to sponsor me, you can do that. You did. But let me get the fuck out of here, man. I'm tight, man. I can't wear my shoe of the year because it's not my size, but it's going to a good home. My mom deserves it, and Yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying to say anything politically correct. I am furious, guys. Y'all don't understand how much I want this damn sugar. Okay? So, with that being said, I'm out of here. Peace. Oh yeah. Shout out to Atmos. Even though you ain't giving my size, but y'all still my family. You understand what I'm talking about? At least I still touched. Yiddy.